Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Von Kaya. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I know that I have been gone off the scene for about the last 2 months or so, but I'm back and I have brought to you my current beauty favorites. I have a nice table full of some things that I have been loving for the past 2 months. And I figure we can just chit chat and kind of talk about some products that I am loving in this lovely beauty space. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I guess I'll start this kind of in order of how I put on my makeup, and then I'll venture into some skincare second. So first things first is primers, and so far I have been loving this Wet n Wild matte face primer, and I love this. It's kind of a white consistency. I'll kind of show on my finger. It's a white consistency and looks a little bit like lotion, but it blends out to be clear, and I am loving the way that this feels on my skin. It's not super matte, but it's also not super hydrating. It's just like a nice in between, but it has a little bit of like tiny bit of stick to it, I guess, and it makes it so easy for the makeup to hold onto my face and the powders and whatever I'm using. It definitely sticks. This is a part of their photo focus line, so it kind of should work very well with their foundation and their concealer and their powder, which I like all of those products. So this for sure has been a great base. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend grabbing this. I think it's like $5 at the drugstore, if that, maybe like $4.99. I grabbed mine from Walmart. I think I got mine at Walmart for like $4.99. So I'll try to leave links to all of these products below, or and that will show you guys where I got them from. Moving on, so I don't have a foundation that I've been super loving, but I do have concealer, because even today I don't have on foundation. I just have on some concealer blended out kind of underneath my eye and maybe above my forehead and on my nose. But the concealers I've been loving is the Colourpop No Filter Concealers. I'm so late on this bandwagon, but I just bought these in the month of January, and I am loving them. I think they're so good. I started off by purchasing just one, and then I went back and purchased 2 more. I think these concealers are so good, so creamy, so lightweight, and has coverage all at the same time. I'm wearing this concealer on my face today in the shade Deep Golden. That's a pretty close match to my face in general, but I'm gonna swatch it here so you guys can see. It looks a little bright on my arm or on my hand here, but my face tends to be slightly brighter than my arm. But it's so creamy and nice and full coverage, as you guys can see. I love the way that it blends out on my skin, and it doesn't accentuate any dry patches that I may have in the winter time. I do get some dry patches kind of on the tops of my cheeks and around my nose, but this concealer has looked so healthy and so radiant and beautiful. I am so excited that I grabbed this, and it's only $6. A lot of the time Colourpop has tons of sales, so if I were you, I would grab several different things. I got this one whenever Kathleenlights had her coupon code, so just keep watches out for their coupon codes. You can get 20% off on so many things, and I highly recommend these concealers. I feel like they do a fabulous job. Okay guys, so the next product I have to talk to you about is my brow pencil, and I have a new favorite. It's the Covergirl Micro Brow Pencil. This pencil became my favorite. I just wanted to look to see what was out there. I've tried the L'Oreal one, which I love, the Maybelline one, which I also love, and of course the everybody's favorite Anastasia Brow Wiz, but this one is $4.79. This is so affordable, under $5. I feel like it has a nice pencil on this side. It's nice and thin, but it's also got a kind of stiffness to the wax that's in it, so it makes making your lines a little bit easier. It makes making your shape a little bit easier, and it gives you some more control, especially if you're newer to doing brows and you don't want something that's gonna glide on super easily. This has been making my life so much easier, and it's super affordable. I'm a cheap person, frugal person, and I love finding deals. And Covergirl hit it out of the park with this one, so I was really impressed. So this has been kind of what I'm loving from them. Another product that I have been loving is this Colourpop times Kathleenlights Dream St palette. This palette is so beautiful. All the shades are beautiful. I feel like this is friendly to a plethora of skin tones. You've got some beautiful pops of color in here and some really nice neutral shades at the top. Kind of give you some everyday looks, but I feel like this palette is perfect to travel with. I feel like I can create nighttime looks, daytime looks, and still achieve everything that I want with this one. Like I said, you've got this great pink pop of color. You've got this beautiful one here, this beautiful blue, these nice matte shades. I feel like it has enough mattes and shimmers to make a complete palette, and it's only $16. This was the first set of Colourpop eyeshadows that I've ever tried, and I was so impressed. I went back and placed a second order and purchased more items. Another item that I placed with that would be the Colourpop blush in Bits and Pieces. So I use this as a blush, but I also use it as a bronzer. It's the bronzer that I have on today. I feel like this accentuates my skin tone so well, and it looks so beautiful on. I was just kind of looking for affordable bronzers, and this one is $8, I believe, for the pan. It comes just with the pan, and then this comes separately, the pan holder. So I really loved that from Colourpop, and I feel like for $8, you can't go wrong. It's such a beautiful blush bronzer formula. And if you have deeper skin tones, I feel like this would be a beautiful blush on you. And if you are around my skin tone, this also makes a great bronzer. So check that out. It's the blush in Bits and Pieces. I will try to link all these things below. So the next thing that I've been loving is the Milani Strobelight highlighters. I think these are amazing quality. I have them swatched right here for you guys. This is going to be Sunglow, and this is Glowing. And I think these are such beautiful shades. I have this shade right here, which is glowing all over my face today. And I just think my highlight is popping. I think I look radiant and glowy and beautiful. I just boop, 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 like right there on the tops of my cheeks, boop, on my nose. And I am just so satisfied with these. They always have sales, buy one, get one half off. They are about $9.99 for one, giant pan. And I think that the design on the pan is so pretty. It's like little sand dunes. So if you were looking for a really high quality, nice highlighter, check out the Milani Strobelights. The next thing that I have is a blush kit. It's the Anastasia Gradient palette. This one here is so beautiful. Love this for fall. Love the blush shades. I use these for highlight, contour, and blush. I feel like I have a lot of options in here. I feel like a lot of women of color will have options, and just deeper, skin people, olive tone people. This is a beautiful blush, but this can get very bruisey very quickly. So some of these you have to be light-handed with. But I think that the quality is great. It comes with a mirror, and I just think this is so worth it. And if I'm not mistaken, it's about $30. But I have seen these outsourced, unfortunately, into some TJ Maxx's. So if you guys are in TJ Maxx or Marshalls or somewhere that has kind of discounted like this, check, and you see these, scoop it up. It's really good. This one or the Radiant one are both great. I just happen to love the Gradient kit. I thought it was fabulous, and I would love to have a backup, so I may have to get a backup of this. So the last three products, I'm going to talk about the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Suck It. Such a beautiful shade, such a beautiful color. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today. I just absolutely love this. I think Too Faced has one of the best liquid lipstick formulas. I know they're a controversial brand slightly, but I love this in the shade Suck It, and I haven't been able to not buy it. This is the second one that I have purchased, so if you're looking for a nice like pink, wearable pink, I suggest something like this. Let me kind of run over my swatch. So this is what it looks like swatched. It's just such a beautiful, you know, pink, and it dries down so nicely. So if you're looking for something with some nice color, try this out. So next is going to be a mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess, and what more can I say? It's raved about, it's great, it gives me a lot of volume, and it's $5. Fabulous product by Essence. Shout out to you. Last makeup product is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Love this product so much. This has changed how my makeup wears. It has changed how my makeup looks on me. I think I look so much more radiant and beautiful when I wear this. I have it on today just as my final finishing spray, and I think I look so like just glowy and nice. My pores look great. I don't know. This stuff works well. It's $49, but the mister is fantastic. Look at that. It's just like a glow of like, I don't know. It's like heavenly. And the scent, smells so nice. It smells just like a nice like tea steamed room. I don't know. I love this. I definitely will repurchase. If you're looking for something to splurge on at Sephora, I highly recommend this item here. So that was all the makeup. I'm going to run through the skincare fairly quickly. So the first thing that I have is the Ole Henriksen Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. Love this. This makes me, you know, not oily and not dry. It literally balances the oils in my skin so well. It has this like great tea tree peppermint type smell, and I love the packaging. I use this, my boyfriend uses this, we love it. It's cost $25 at Sephora, but I think it's well worth it. It is 5 fluid ounces. So if you know you have a problem with oils and oil control, highly recommend grabbing something like this just to add into your routine. I feel like it helps tremendously, and I have loved, you know, what this has been doing for me. Love it. The last, well, not last, but the next things is going to be my beauty oils. I have 4 here that I am dying over. I have 2 from the brand De La Cruz. This is tea tree oil and castor oil. I use this one to fight my blemishes. So anytime I have a pimple or a breakout or a blemish on my skin, I run a cotton Q-tip through warm water, dip it in the bottle, and just kind of spot treat my areas. And I feel like this has done a great job. It's a natural fungus fighter, so it definitely does what it's supposed to do. And then this one is going to be my castor oil. Love this for my hair. Love this for my skin and my face. Just a great overall moisturizing product. Very thick. You need a very small amount, and a lot of people use this on their eyelashes. This is not Jamaican black castor oil. It's just clear castor oil, but I feel like it does a wonderful job for me. And then these 2 beauty oils here, this is from No7 Youthful Replenishing Facial Oil. Such a beautiful oil, nice and lightweight. And then this one is going to be the Moraccan Argan Oil Serum. This is a little bit heavier, but I love both of these to just kind of apply after I'm out of the shower and I've done all my lovely routine of everything. I like to put these on last and just go right to sleep. Let the oils, you know, mix into my skin, and I feel like very hydrated and very, my skin feels very supple and good after I use these. Next product I'm going to go and show you is the Dickinsons Witch Hazel. I think this is such a great product. It's the 100% natural astringent for face and body. This also has 14% alcohol in it. But this product is great right after I use my cleanser, get out of the shower, and I get a cotton pad. It has like a little squirt part, and I squirt some of this onto my cotton pad, and then I just kind of wipe all over my face again to make sure I have collected any dirt particles that may still be on there. And I have found this has helped my skin clear up a lot better because I'm giving myself that extra step to tone and make sure my face is nice and clear. It's not a super strong scent, but I love this to death. $5 at Walmart, Target, CVS, you know, Walgreens, wherever you want to shop at. The last product is going to be my L'Oreal Hydra Genius Moisturizer. This is for oily skin. This product is something that I was just been kind of eyeing and looking at for a while, but this product has made my moisturizing step fun. I used to think I didn't need to moisturize because I already had oily skin, but this product here has a pump, which is great. And I usually just take this and I will apply it to my face, but when I rub it out, it definitely feels moisturizing, but once it's all rubbed, you know, onto the skin and stuff, it gives you like this nice mattified look to the skin, but your skin still feels very hydrated and moisturized. See that? And it feels good. So that's kind of something that I wanted and needed. This is 20 bucks, but there are always coupons and sales. So try to get this on a sale and don't pay full price for it. But it is a great product, and they have this for dry skin and extra dry skin. So it's definitely worth checking out if you are looking for a new moisturizer, because the one you have just may not be cutting it. Or if you are like me and didn't think you need a moisturizer, you do. But this is my final product that kind of concludes all of my beauty favorites. And I hope that you guys, you know, maybe found some new products to try. I would love to hear from you in my comments with any questions or concerns and things that you guys may have about my products. And I'm sorry that it took me 2 months to upload again, but I'm back and I'm so happy to be filming again. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video. Tell your friends about me. You know, I'm trying to get my stuff up, do my thing. So thank you guys so much for being here again. Mwah. I will see you next time. Bye.